Hello, I'm Greg Condon, and in this week's AHRI Insight we'll be talking about the role of pre-emergent herbicides when applied in retained stubble. We all know how effective pre-emergent herbicides are in modern no-till farming systems for their early season weed control, but they vary in their ability to remain effective when applied in retained stubbles. Yassine Khalil from the University of Western Australia has conducted some research to evaluate a range of herbicides including Sakura, prosulfocarb, which includes Arcade or Countdown, and trifluralin, and looking at their effectiveness in retained stubble systems. Yassine also evaluated how much rainfall it took for herbicides to move off stubble when rainfall occurred. He also compared the differences when conditions stayed dry and what herbicides might remain active until rain occurred subsequently after application. Certain herbicides still stayed active for up to 2 weeks after application. This is really important for growers who have a significant dry sowing program, that they can have confidence to use premium products, dry sowing, and still get activity when rain occurs later on in the season to activate the herbicide and control weeds. In summary, Yassine's research showed that Sakura was the most effective herbicide when applied in stubble retained systems. It was able to remain active for up to 2 weeks and then leach from stubble with only 5 mils of rainfall. Prosulfocarb took more rainfall to leach, and only if that rainfall occurred within 7 days of application. Trifluralin did not leach even with rainfall within 1 day of application. So Yassine's work and the AHRI Insight put together by Greg Condon highlights the value of premium herbicides, particularly for growers who are looking at dry sowing programs. For more information, check out the latest AHRI Insight. Thank you.